Thank you so much. We had a great conversation over the phone. I was able to understand your expectations, what was important for you. We were able to create a report. And thank you for inviting me over to your home. I know I'm an exchange, you invited me over to your house, and it's not an easy thing to do. So I really, first thing, thank you. Thank you for that. That being said, let me share with you what's going to look like the next step so you know what to expect. First thing, as I mentioned to you over the phone, my goal is to help you genuinely to make this process easier. So this is what I'm bringing to the table when I come over. I'm going to first thing inspect the space to make sure there's no surprise when we start the project. Number two is I'm going to take dimensions of the entire project. Number three, or probably number one, I'm going to ask you, what's your end goal with this? I'm going to just reaffirm what we talk over the phone to really make sure I understand your goals, your needs, and the solution this problem is going to bring. If you're ready, yep, this is when I just double check everything. And also I'm going to have my note taker, which help by AI. I'm going to take the entire conversation to make sure I can transfer all the information to my team. Take dimensions, inspect everything, talk about the outcomes, how this project is going to look like, what's important for you. Basically, my goal is to make it easy as possible for you. Once I think I have the full understanding, I'm going to recap it for you. If you say, Freddy, yep, this is what I want, this is what I like, I fully trust in your process, let's move forward. Either I'm going to offer, if it's a small job, I'm going to offer 10%, put you in a schedule, get it done for you. If it's a bigger project, they will have to go through the budgeting and design, which I've been explaining to you early in the process, what that may look like. So either or, we're going to give the options, and then from there, you decide to move forward or not. Now, as I mentioned to you over the phone, if you're not ready to move forward, once you see the final numbers, once I see the space, what something that it may cost, if you say, Freddy, I want to think about it, or you want to compare the companies, or you just want to sit down and sleep on it, there's no pressure. Please feel free that I'm not trying to sell anything. I just want to make sure I can help you if I can, if I have the solution for your problem. In that moment, I only have to collect the investment I share over the phone. Sometimes 200, sometimes 500, whatever I share over the phone. And that's gonna give you to let me get all that information, pass it to my team, put it into my system, and give it to you. You're gonna have an idea of price-wise what this space is gonna look like, or just high-level budget, and also all the information I got from you is gonna be it's gonna be in a create a portal for you. So all the information is gonna be ready and have access 24/7. We're gonna bring value. And here's the cool thing, once you decide to move forward, you're gonna give back as a credit, and it's gonna cost you a penny. So that's what's gonna happen. My goal is understanding your needs, your problem, and how my solution is gonna fit your needs, solve your problem, and fit your budget. Alright, thanks so much. I'm looking forward to see you probably in a couple hours, I think, or maybe next day. Depends on the appointment we have. Appreciate it, and I'm looking forward to see you then. Bye bye.